What's up, guys? It's Isaac. Call me Ike. Apparently I'm doing a YouTube channel. My buddy Brian convinced me to. Thought about it a little bit, but never really pulled the trigger. So here we are. On a little road trip right now. Came from Minnesota. First night stayed in Pierre, South Dakota. Next day went through the Badlands and Black Hills, stuff like that. Stayed in Newcastle, Wyoming that night in my car at a truck stop. And then went to Devil's Tower the next day. And then in the mountains, stayed at a place called Bear Lodge Resort, which was really nice. Recommend it. Good spot. So yeah. As you can tell, I'm kind of new to this whole YouTube editing stuff, so bear with me, and thank you guys. Yeah. Then I slowly made my way over to Yellowstone, took some drone shots on the way. Yeah, but then expert drone pilot Mr. Isaac here dipped the drone in the water. I'll put the video on here too. But dipped the drone in the water, but it flew out. Thank God I wasn't about to go dive in there. Well, I was, but I didn't want to. So anyway, saw Old Faithful before the sun went down. And then I slept in my car for the night. When I woke up, it was 32 degrees. I was wrapped up in my blankets. Leather seats were freezing off, you know. Yeah, I woke up, was like, shoot, gotta get the drone fixed. Still didn't think it was working. On my way out of Yellowstone, I went through Montana, took a quick pic by that sign, then into Idaho. Today, not really too exciting, just a bunch of driving. So I went down through Idaho into Utah. Well, I think I'm going to call the first video quits here. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, watch 2 and 3.